Hello everyone, I am Syed, faculty of Pound Litra Z School. Today we will learn the decimals, multiplication of decimals and division of decimals. Okay, let's move. So here multiplication of decimal number by a whole number. So in this, let's take the example 3.5 is multiplied by 3. So this is the decimal number and this is the whole number. Always convert the decimal number into fraction during the multiplication as well as in the division. So 3.5 in fraction can be written as 35 upon 10. Then 35 upon 10 is multiplied by 3. So numerator and numerator gets multiplied and write upon 1 as a denominator because it does not contain the denominator. So 10 into 1, 10 and 35 into 3 is 105 upon 10. And when you convert this fraction into decimal, it becomes 10.5. This is the answer. In this section, we have to multiply the decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. So let's see. I take example 1.76 multiply by 10. So convert this decimal number into fraction. So 1.76 converted as 176 upon 100 into 10. So 0 and 0 gets cut. So it becomes 176 upon 10. 176 upon 10 is equal to 17.6. This is the answer. Similarly, if 1.76 is multiplied by 100, what we have to do? Convert this decimal into fraction. 100 into 100, 100 get cancelled. It is equal to 176. Now 1.76 is multiplied by 1000. So again convert this into fraction. 176 upon 100 into 1000. Now 20 and here also 20 gets cut. It is equal to 176 into 10 and this becomes 1760. This is the answer. Here we have to multiply the decimal number by another decimal number. So this is the decimal number and this is another decimal number. So always convert the decimal into fraction. So 2.5 can be converted into fraction as 25 upon 10 and 1.25 is converted as 125 upon 100. Now numerator gets multiplied to the numerator. So it becomes 3225 upon 10 into 100, that is 1000. Now convert this fraction into decimal. So 3.225. This is the answer. Now division of decimal number by whole number. So this is the decimal number and this is the whole number. So convert this decimal number into fraction. So it becomes 64 upon 10 divided by 2. In fraction division, we have to do as we have learned in fraction division. So division is converted into multiplication. So 64 upon 10 into and reciprocal this number. So 2 becomes 1 upon 2. Now reduce this fraction. So 2 1 are 2 and 64 get reduced as 2 3 are 6 and 2 2 are 4. So this is becomes 32 upon 10. Now convert this fraction into decimal. So the answer is 3.2. This is the answer. Now we have to divide the decimal number 31.5 by 10. So convert this into fraction. 315 upon 10, and it is divided by 10. Now convert the division into multiplication form as we have learned in fraction. So upon 10 into and reciprocal, so 1 upon 10. So 10 into 10 becomes 100, and 315 into 1, 315 upon 100, and this convert into decimal, that is 3.15. This is the answer. The same way you can do the decimal number divided by 100 and 1000. So here we have to divide 22.5, this is the decimal number, and 1.5. Now to convert the decimal number into fraction, so 22 point, remove this point, so it becomes 225 upon 10 divided by 15 upon 10. Now convert this into multiplication form. So 225 upon 10, division is converted into multiplication, and it becomes 10 upon 15. So this 10 and this 10 gets cut. Now divide 15 by 225. So 15 1 ja, here 1 and 5. So here the answer is 50. In this way we have to divide the decimal number by another decimal number. Here is the end of the video.